Referencing is a big problem for many students at both undergraduate and graduate levels. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics of producing standard in-text citations and compiling your references list in the APA format. Academic writing relies on citations and references to support ideas. An in-text citation is a way of acknowledging the source of your information in your writing. An in-text citation in the APA style has three parts: the author's surname, the year of publication of the source or the work, and the page number. So you can have a surname such as Musonda, the year 2000, and the page number 39. Musonda, 2000, page 39. An in-text citation in the body of your work will appear as follows. Musonda 2000 argues that learning can be improved through additional funding for laboratories. Page 39. If an in-text citation begins with a quotation, it will appear as follows. Learning can be improved through additional funding for laboratories. In parentheses, Musonda 2000, page 39. Take note of the quotation marks which indicate that this is a direct quotation. When you have a direct quotation in your work, the first way to indicate the citation is to have all the citation details in parentheses, as shown in the example given. So the statement will appear first in quotation marks and the citation details in parentheses. You can also begin your citation or your direct quotation as follows. Musonda 2000 argues that learning can be improved through additional funding for laboratories. So in this example, the author's name appears first, then the year in parentheses after the author's name, followed by the quotation and the page number in parentheses. When the idea being cited has been paraphrased, then the page number is not included. For example, more money can help students acquire knowledge. Musonda, 2000 in parentheses. Or Musonda, the year of publication, in parentheses, 2000, states that more money can help students acquire knowledge. At the end of your essay or assignment, and on a new page, you will have a references list which is a compilation of all the citations that you would have used in the body of your work. The title References should appear centered on your page. This references list contains all the publication information of each source or work used. For example, if in the text you cited Musonda 2000, it will appear as follows in the references list. Musonda, K, full stop, in parentheses, 2000, full stop. What it means to learn, full stop. Solwezi, full colon, Bush Books. Musonda is the surname, the initials, 2000 is the year of publication, what it means to learn is the title of the work, Solwezi is the place of publication, which is separated with a colon from the name of the publisher. If it is a journal source, which is a very common source of information for academic writing, the entry would appear as follows. The surname of the author, the initials, full stop, the year of publication in parentheses, and the title of the article, followed by the name of the journal, and then the volume number of the journal, and the issue of the journal in parentheses, followed by page numbers. Take note of all the punctuation that is required as you separate the items in a particular entry. Each type of source that you use in your work will have specific information that you should include. Consult the APA Style Guide for more information about this. Your complete references list will appear as follows. Take note that the surnames in the references list are listed in alphabetical order. In your references, only include works that you have directly cited in your work. If a particular work has no author, for example, you use the first significant words of the title of the document or article. Another important point to note about the references list is that you indent the second line and other subsequent lines of each entry, as you can see from the list of references that we have given. So when you look back to our discussion of the writing process, you'll notice that research is one of the activities that you conduct during that stage. The collection of sources is an important part of the pre-writing stage because these are the sources that you are going to use as citations in the body of your work, and they also function as the references list. So whatever you are writing, whether it's an argumentative essay, or whether it's a persuasive essay, or descriptive, it's important to understand the value and the importance of citations and references.